announced by the trumpets of the sky.
A rise of snow and driving over the fields.
Seems nowhere to alight.
The whited air hides hill and wood, the river and the heaven.
And veils the farmhouse at the garden's end.
The sled and travelers stop, the courier's feet delayed, all friends shut out.
Housemaids sit around the radiant fireplace, enclosed in a tumultuous privacy of storm.
Hear the north wind's mason.
Out of an unseen quarry, a more furnished the town.
The fierce artificer curves his white bastions with projected roof round every windward stake.
Or tree, or door, speeding the myriad-handed, his wild work so fanciful, so savage, naught cares for number or proportion. Mockingly on coop or kennel he hangs parrying reefs. A swan-like form invests the hidden thorn, fills up the farmer's lane from wall to wall, moderate the farmer's side, and at the gate a tapering turret overtops the work. And when his hours are numbered, and the world is all his own, retiring as he would not, leaves, when the sun appears, astonished art to mimic its slow structures, stone by stone, built in an age of mad winds might work, the frolic architecture of the snow.